service trucks in Burkeville, Virginia. I'm going to be previewing this pretty spectacular 2006 F550. Yes. 4-wheel drive. Yes. 6.0 motor. Yes. With all the good things that people want to have done to a 6.0 motor. Yes. Service body truck. I am out in Burkeville, Virginia at 1713 East Patrick Henry Highway. Zip code is 23922. And the phone number to call or text is 804-928-9099. Sorry for the wind blowing my door shut. So look, y'all, I'm on my own today. Normally I'd have Aaron out here helping me, starting things up. We've tested everything on this rig. Everything fires right up. The air compressor, the generator, it all works. But I am not skilled enough to be able to turn it on and hold the camera and not look like a fool. So, welcome to come out and test it. I verify everything works. Got this truck from the same gentleman that I bought the 2007 single axle crew cab from. You're going to see that picture up here soon as well. Gentleman who owned this company, I've known for a few years and sold some trucks to. He maintains his equipment like nothing I have ever seen. This man maintains his equipment. So this truck is like everything else, just super nice. Now I know these lights work, so let me see if I'm smart enough to figure out how to turn them on for you. So if that works. People are gonna say, hey Jody, are you sure this thing is 4-wheel drive? It's an F550. You don't see an F550 that's 4-wheel drive very often. It's absolutely 4-wheel drive, factory. 150,000 miles, super duper clean, no rust, no corrosion, no undercoating hiding rust or corrosion. Just a really super nice, clean, ready to work truck. This is an extended wheelbase. No check engine lights or anything like that on the dash. My mechanic has been driving it every day since we got it in. I can't quite figure out why he's driving it every day, other than the fact it's just fabulous. The 3-person bench seat is not all ripped up. The foam is in good shape. I'll get it on my bend for you so you can see all this. This is a little bit faded. Your GV is 17950. So this is an under CDL truck. Radio works and sounds good. Gauges are all reading just like they should. 156.46 on it right now today. The radio's on and it's displaying. It's just real sunny here, so you can't really read it. Your service body is in great condition. Real clean. That's just dirt, but structurally sound in all of your little compartments here. Doors all open and close easily. So you can see that's dirty. But look, y'all, that's just dirty. A little bit of scraping on the paint, but structurally there's no holes or anything like that on the body of this. You've got great tires, tons of meat on them. You can see that's original frame metal. It's 156,000 miles on the original frame metal. That's great condition. There's the underside of the box with the exception of some just regular to be expected dirt. You can see, like, these boxes often rust out up underneath here. You gotta do all sorts of work to them. You don't on this one. It's got the little tailgate everybody loves. Who don't love a tailgate? There it is. Didn't Joe Diffie sing a song about that? Here's your, that looks brand new. Let me get up in this so you can see the specs on your trailer hitch. You can see again. I mean, look, you could use a fresh coat of paint, but what work truck doesn't? Just got this truck back in. The gentleman that had it begrudgingly sold it because he was changing he sold his company and was going a different direction. Because he had a landscaping company and now he's doing concrete work, something to that effect. So he traded this truck in. Great overall condition. Paint looks good. Dark tinted windows. Lots of components he left on it. And it's $14,900, y'all. $15,000. You got an air conditioner. You got a generator. You got strobe lights. You got all the good things done to the 6.0 diesel motor that everybody wants done to the 6.0 diesel motor that makes it run for hundreds of thousands of miles. You got the extended wheelbase of an F550. You got an automatic transmission, and you got factory four-wheel drive. I mean, I don't want to say that this is a unicorn or a needle in a haystack, but you fellas out there looking for this kind of truck, you know, this is a very super rare truck. Starts right up, no smoke and clack on a cold start. Good straight condition. So if you're interested in this truck or any one of the other trucks that we've got on the yard, the phone number to call or text is 804-928-9099. Our website is carnetcars.com. We're out here at One Source Trucks in Burkeville, Virginia, where we've got all sorts of medium and heavy duty trucks. We've got dump trucks. We've got grapple trucks. We've got big 44 passenger buses. We've got little 15 passenger buses. We've got bucket trucks. We've got service bodies. We've got garbage trucks. We got a little bit of everything out here. But today, what I'm talking about is this 2006 service body truck that is ready to go to work. Give us a call or a text at 804-928-9099.